Hello, thank you for watching, and if you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I'd appreciate very much. Thank you very much for watching. So this is, in my mind, this is a top mod for a digger excavator. So if you have a grading or ditching bucket, or a sort of toothless bucket, I'd recommend it. It's quite a cheap thing, quite fast and cheap thing, but is really handy. So you can pick up and drop off different buckets as you want, really. It's easy. And you can carry them, carry a few buckets. If you have a wide bucket to carry them, you can carry quite a few with you, save going back and forth for a trailer taking them. So, yes, thank you for watching, and I'll continue the video now. I lost the audio for some of my videos. I've tried to do a voiceover. It might not quite match up, but I've tried my best. But thank you for watching. So I don't know what happened to the sound here, but here's the plate I'm using now as a dummy for the cutting edge of a flat bucket, the ditching bucket. Okay, so these are hooks made out of flat bar now. I've marked it, I've got this piece now, I marked out, so I'll only need 3 cuts and get 2 out of it. As you see, they're the same thickness as the brackets, and I'll weld them onto the brackets now, and this plate now shows how it'll hook onto the actual bucket then. So I'm using this as a guide to make these sort of angle I want then. So all I did was I put it against the bracket and I draw a line across it. So I got my angle like that, and I set the saw and cut 2 cuts the same then, and I'm cutting the middle now about 45. As you see, I put the flat bar inside the bracket and I marked it with a pencil. When I cut it now, and you can see it fits on tidy. So I'm cutting 2 out of this now, so I marked the middle of it, and I'll make a third cut and it'll make the 2 for me. As you see, I've cut them now and I've rounded the corners, and I've just put them against the plate. Need to tack them in place now. You do hit it in a bit. I'll put a tack there because it's flush there, and then hit it over. So I bought this bucket a year ago there. Never noticed the cracks there, so I've ground them right down. You see the crack went right down through, so there's dirt in there. There's a hacksaw now to clean out, but the teeth are good as new like that one. So gonna weld them up now, and if they hold, they hold. If they don't, they don't. So try this first, and it's only gonna strengthen. Well, it probably worked for a while. Didn't do much work, but probably worked off just the top. So this will just strengthen it up really. We'll see. If you have to replace it, you have to replace it, but they're good as new as it is. See the meat on them. Okay. Only thing about a MIG welder is you have to clean off the rust everywhere. So to clean off there as well. I got there, and I clean a bit off the sides there as well. It's all welded up now. So this is how I cut them. What you well, I cut this one now I could angle the same, so I could cut. But the one I cut both ends first and then cut the middle, so it made 2. Basically, 3 cuts made 2 bits in. So yes, I've got this for the second bucket now. Okay. So I cut the end off square and use bench painters to round it off nice. No sharp corners, and round the top off a bit as well. So I'll do a second one now. So that's the tips rounded off now. Nice and blunt now. Okay, then above this I'll be welding that anyway. It is nice and blunt all round that now. No sharp edges. Okay. So same idea now. I've tacked them up so well where they're straight to a steel here. Now I'll put the square against it and tap it over whatever way it needs to be square, and weld it up. Put it on its side, well, tack aside, both sides. Push over, then weld this and weld the top, and then push over away and weld this and weld the bottom, sort of thing. Okay. So that's this skinny one done. It's pretty easier than the one, just pretty straight. Okay.